Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make the best egusi soup. There are many ways to make egusi soup, and in today's video I'm going to show you the frying method. This method works for me and I enjoy egusi soup via this method as well. So without no further talking, let's go ahead and get started. Here are the ingredients I'll be using to make this soup. I have here some goat meat. You can use whatever protein of your choice. I have some cow tripe here and cow skin or more. I have some stock fish here, stock flakes. I have dried fish. Yes, you can also use catfish, okay. I have some peppers here. I love the combination of the red and yellow pepper. I love the flavors. And then I have onions as well. I have some blended crayfish here, okay. I have iru locust beans. You can use ogiro bean as well. I have seasoning cube and some salt. I have palm oil, and then the style of the ingredients are egusi. Please check the description box for measurements. So in a blender I'll be adding in my peppers, okay, and onions, okay. I'll be adding that in and then I'll be blending it, okay. After it's blended, go into the pot. I'll be adding the goat meat, okay, and then I'll be adding the stock flakes as well, stock fish flakes. I'll be adding in seasoning cube. I'm adding 2 seasoning cube, and then I'll be adding some salt as well. Yes, and then I'll be adding in some of the peppers. I didn't add all at this point. I added some. Cover it and allow it to steam for a bit before adding water. So in another pot, I'm using a pressure pot here. I'll be adding in the cow tripe and the cow skin, adding in some small onion, a seasoning cube, and then small salt, and then water. Cover it and then allow this to cook till tender. Okay, so while that is cooking, I'll be soaking in the dried fish, okay. Yeah, I'm using some hot water to soak it in, and then I'll be going ahead to grind the egusi with a mill grinder, okay. Just grind it till it is properly grinded, okay. I'm grinding in batches, okay. Yes, I'll just grind that and then set it aside. Going over to the meat, I'll be checking it and then giving it a quick stir and topping it up with some water, okay. Topping it up and then allowing it to cook till it is very tender. Yes, okay. So going over to the fish now, I'm going ahead to wash it, okay. Just wash it and debone, okay. Remove all the bones. You don't need the bone in your soup. Yes, just like so. Wash it, rinse it, and then debone, okay. And then after that is done, I'll be setting the fish aside. So after that is done, I'll be going ahead to soak the egusi, okay. I'm just using some water here to soak it. You can use the meat stock if you want to, okay. I'll just go ahead and soak it in with some water, just like so. And then in a separate pot, I'll be adding in the oil, the palm oil for cooking the soup. While it heats up, please don't bleach, okay. I'll be adding in the chopped onions, okay. Allow it to fry for a bit, and then I'll be adding in the iru, okay. If you don't like iru, just use ogiro bean, or you can even skip it if you don't like it at all, okay. And then I'll be adding the egusi just like so in batches like this, okay. I'll just be adding it in and then I'll be stirring it in and frying it, okay. Please, you have to be here in the kitchen. You don't have to go anywhere because it's going to burn. Egusi burns very easily. Yes, I changed from the rubber spoon to a wooden spatula, okay, to enable me stir the egusi properly, okay. Yes, I'll keep on frying this. You can see that I'll keep on frying it till the egusi separates, like it starts standing on its own, okay, and not gummy like this. You can see the progress so far. Can you see that it's separating? Yes, this is how you want your egusi to be, okay. So when it is like this, properly fried, I'll be adding in the crayfish and the remaining pepper that I have grinded. Okay, yes, just stir that in, and then I'll be adding in the dried fish, okay, the meat and the stockfish and the pomo and the cow tripe, all of the mende them. Just add it in, okay, and then add in the meat stock. I'll be stirring this in. I topped it with some more water, okay, yes, because we still need to cook this egusi very well for about 20 minutes, okay, for it to be properly cooked. Okay, yes, I added more water and then I covered it and allow it to be doing its thing, okay, but I stirred it occasionally, okay, yes. So you can see that the oil is just floating on top. I didn't add any more oil, okay, yes, it has cooked properly. I'm going to stir this in, okay, yes, just stir it in, and then taste for salt. Okay, I will be tasting for salt. It needs more seasoning and salt, so I'll be adding in some salt. I'll be adding in one seasoning cube, okay, and then stir it again for this thing to mix, incorporate one neck or corn. Water go. Please don't mind me. My kitchen is smelling so amazing at this point. Yes, when you cook your egusi like this, it won't go bad easily. I'll cover it again to be cooking. So at this point, I'll go ahead to chop up my vegetables. I'm using uzuza and ugu. However, you can use spinach, you can use bitter leaf, whatever leaf you want. This is ugu, and I'll be going ahead to chop it up as well. So I'll be checking on the soup again. You can see it's bubbling and sizzling. N'ofe. So I'm just going to give it a quick stir again, okay, combine it, and then I'll be going ahead to add in the vegetables. Okay, at this point, please subscribe to my channel, and once you add the vegetables, no need for you to cook it more further, okay. So I'll be going ahead to add the uzuza leaves first, okay, because it's more harder. Okay, I'll just add it in and then stir it, okay, leave it for a couple of seconds, and then I'll be going ahead to add the ugu, okay, yes, and then just stir it up and then switch up the flame. It is cooked, you guys. The hotness from the soup will cook your vegetable fully, so you don't need to cook it more further, okay. So at this point, your soup is ready to be enjoyed, okay. Enjoy with your family, with your friends, with whatever swallow you like, okay. Fufu, semo, gari, plantain fufu, whatever, okay. If you're the fit farm, you have your cabbage swallow and other varieties of vegetable swallows. Just enjoy, okay. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, like, share, okay. I will be seeing you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.